Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to JobSword channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 25 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the name of the country's first agri futures index launched by the National Commodity and Derivative Exchange? So its name is Agridex. Question number 2. Centre's Ayushman Bharat scheme has crossed the milestone of how many beneficiaries? So it is crossed 1 crore beneficiary. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi louds Ayushman Bharat scheme as beneficiary crossed 1 crore scheme, and it was launched on September 2018. Question number 3. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Lesotho? So his name is option number B, Moise Kisi Mojoro. So some GK to Lesotho. Lesotho capital is Maseru and its currency is Lesotho Leti. Question number 4. All people who have resided in Jammu and Kashmir for how many years are eligible for getting a domicile certificate? So it is 15 years. So all people who have resided in the Jammu and Kashmir for 15 years or have studied for 7 years and appeared in the class 10th or 12th in an educational institution in the region, and their children are eligible for the grant of domicile. Question number 5. What is the theme of the International Day for Biological Diversity in 2020? So when it is observed? So it is observed on 22nd May. So this year the theme is Our Solution Are in the Nature. Question number 6. Agape Chitra Magna, which is in news recently, is a RNA extraction kit, and it is developed by Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology, which is present in Kerala. Question number 7. Which state is known as the heart of Incredible India? So it is Madhya Pradesh. So Ministry of Tourism organizes 21st webinar titled Photo Walking Bhopal Tradition, Culture and Tourism under Dekho Apna Desh series. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and Lalaji Tandon is its governor. Question number 8. HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched which online program of IGNOU through Facebook live session? So it is MA Hindi. So the session was broadcast live through IGNOU's Gyan Darshan TV channel on Gyan Dhara and FB page. Question number 9. The Union Cabinet has given its approval for scheme for formalization of micro food processing enterprises for unorganized sector with an outlay of how much crore? So it is outlay of 10,000 crore. Question number 10. Researchers at which of the following institutions have discovered new ways that can help prevent or reduce memory losses associated with the Alzheimer's disease? So it is IIT Guwahati. So what is a Alzheimer's disease? So it is a progressive disease that destroys the memory and other important mental function. Question number 11. Which state will launch the Everybody Will Get Employment scheme? So it is launched by Madhya Pradesh. So under this scheme, Manrega job cards will be distributed to the laborers. So some recent GK to Madhya Pradesh. Recently Madhya Pradesh government has cancelled the 10th board exam and they will pass all the student. And for the 12th board, they are going to conduct the exam from 6 June to 18 June. And Madhya Pradesh government has launched the Charan Paduka scheme, under which the migrants who are crossing over Madhya Pradesh in the barefoot are going to get the shoes or sandals. Question number 12. Reserve Bank of India, in its latest monetary policy statement for 2020-21, has reduced the repo rate to, it is reduced to 4%, and the reverse repo rate is 3.35%. Question number 13. Aviation Regulatory DGCA has issued how many bands of ticket pricing with lower and upper fare limits? So it is 7 bands. So what is DGCA? So DGCA full form is Directorate General of Civil Aviation, and who is the Minister for Civil Aviation? His name is Hardeep Singh Puri, and Arun Kumar is DGCA Director General. So there are 7 bands of fare limit ticket pricing. So first is below 40 minutes, and second band is from 40 minutes to 60 minutes, third band is to 60 to 90, fourth band is from 90 to 120, fifth band is 120 to 150, sixth is 150 to 180, and seventh is 180 to 210. Question 14. Which state government has launched the startup fund to encourage the youth of the state for entrepreneurship? So it is Uttar Pradesh government. So Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath, he did CM, and governor is Anandabhen Patel. Question 15. After adding 5 more ports of call between India and Bangladesh, the total call of ports now stand at, so it is now stand at 11. Some security to Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, its currency is Dhaka, and Sheikh Hasina is its prime minister. Question number 16. ONGC and which company have signed a preliminary agreement to set up a joint venture company for renewable energy projects? So it is ONGC and NTPC. So ONGC and NTPC both headquarters present in New Delhi. Shashi Shankar is ONGC chairman, CEO and MD, and Gurdeep Singh is chairman and MD of NTPC. Last question of the day. Franklin Templeton has appointed which bank as advisory to wind up 6 debt scheme? So it is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank headquarters present in Mumbai. Uday Kotak is its MD and CEO. So these are the current affairs of today, and attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for your time. Stay safe at home.